BFFs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Happy Monday. It is Monday. It is a brand new day. It's the start of a brand new week, and my morning is off to a good start. Our morning is off to a good start, as a matter of fact, because potty training is in full effect today, even though I have to go on the road, but it is well on its way and it's going good. He have a few accidents here and there, but that's okay. I am completely dedicating this week to fully get some potty training in with Tyler. It's officially begin this morning and we're well on our way. And he got his little stickers after each potty accomplishment, and he's so excited about it. Right now he's off to a nap. Baby's off to work as usual, but baby's actually not feeling so well. I hate when he's not feeling well because I don't understand why he's getting all these little sore throat, and then right after that sore throat, you know, it's a fever or a flu or something that he's gonna catch. But he's off to work and he's not his old self, but he'll get through it. He'll get through it. Your girl is here to take care of him, so don't worry about it. He'll be fine. So yeah, baby's off to work. It was a little bit tiring this morning because of our long weekend and all that, but that's okay. We shall recover because that's what we do. We have fun, we go out, we spend time with the family. It's always good to, you know, unwind after a long week and enjoy your weekend. So yeah, that's what's up today. Right about now, I'm actually ready because I am going on the road. I have some errands to run, and I have to meet up with babe later in the afternoon to get some stuff done that he can't do without me. So he needs me to sign some papers and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm actually going to head out on the road, but not just yet. Tyler is done for a nap, so I'm actually going to get some stuff done, have lunch, wait on him to wake up, and then we shall be well on our way. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys make this week productive. Enjoy your day. I am not working out this week because, or should I say, I will be working out, but I won't be running. I'll have time to do abs where I can see Tyler and have him around me and still potty training within that time. But I won't be running because when I run and fully work out, I take like maximum 2 hours, and I really want to dedicate this time to potty training, and I don't want when I'm running and not seeing him and he's in his chair, he have accidents and stuff like that and you feel bad about it. So I'm actually not going to run this week, but I'll still be doing my abs. So make sure you guys working out, make sure you guys getting your abs in, get your workout in. Like I always say, it doesn't really matter what you do, make time for workout. Do something. It doesn't really matter how small it is. It will all work out in the end. It will all add up and everything will be awesome in the end. Look at me. Hey, workout is really paying off for me and I'm so excited about it. But on another note, today is a beautiful day. Look, your girl don't need no sweater, honey. It's shining. The chill is almost gone. It's just a little bit when there's wind, but you really don't need any sweater out. It's hot. The sun is out. Everybody's out in their t-shirt and stuff like that, so you know this week onward should be awesome. Let me just show you guys a sneak peek what outside is like. And as I'm looking out right now, there's actually a plane landing right in front of me at the airport. There you go. See, that plane is just going down. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. And it's down. So that's what today's looking like. Right now it's a bright and beautiful day out. There's just a little bit of wind, as you can see, the palm tree, but nothing too extra, nothing that we can't handle. So yeah, I'm going to stop the chit-chatting and get some stuff done before Tyler wake up. You guys, it's a beautiful beach day out today, but I ain't going to the beach today. I'm actually heading to town, and I just reached down on the promenade, and there's so much people out tanning today, y'all. The beach is full, there's ski boats out, ski bikes out, and the beach is just full of different activities because it's about that time of year when everybody's out in their numbers, and the tanning is in full force, and a lot of people out. So I think it's almost time for me to take Tyler to the beach. So that's about to go down, but we're just passing by right now, heading to the bus stop to catch a bus to go to town to meet Bev. A little girl just bring her flowers to Tyler. She's so cute, but she's naked, so I was sure. No clothes. Little girl, come and stand in front of Tyler and give him a cute little flowers. Tyler looks scared for a minute. Of the water? Huh? Go touch it. Go. Look. Look. Oh. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. High five. Bravo. Wow. You guys, the craziest yet funniest thing happened at the park just now. Tyler was there playing with a little girl named Emily, and they were playing and they were so cute and getting along really well, and I only saw Tyler just slowly come face to face with the little girl, and both of them just went in for a kiss on each other. I'm like, oh my god, I couldn't do anything but put my hand over my mouth. I was so surprised. I was caught off guard so bad. The little girl mother and I couldn't do anything but start laughing like crazy. I couldn't believe what I saw. My son got his first kiss, honey. Oh my god. The little girl ran away and wiped off her mouth. But I guess kids will be kids when things like those happen, and it's a bit scary because, you know, kids got sick around and stuff like that, but I guess it's the norm. My gosh, I was so shocked. I was so surprised. But I didn't expect him to go in for a kiss on that little girl, but he did, and I couldn't do anything about it. I didn't know how to react, but I guess those things happen. Oh gosh, babe, you really look sick, you know. You really look sick. Say hello to the vlog. You haven't all day.
Because I'm sick. Because I was at work.
You guys, babe is out of work, and he just said to me, honey, what's the Jamaican expression for today? And unfortunately, I haven't yet given a Jamaican expression. And listen, he is listening to me too much. He had the Jamaican expression. He had the Jamaican expression down pat for today. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the expression that he told me to give. So the Jamaican expression for today is, say it.
And me sick like a dog.
Ah! He said, you guys, I don't know if you hear him good just now, but he said, me sick like a dog. In Jamaica, when somebody is very sick, that is exactly what we say. Me sick like a dog. Mean that you're so not feeling well. So yeah, there you have the Jamaican expression, straight from the sick like a dog man. Say it again, babe.
Me sick like a dog.
Oh, he really sick. So I'm not going to even bother him today to talk too much in the vlog, because his throat's hurting, his nose running, his eyes running, they really look red. He's really not doing well. Hey friends, we just got home and I just jumped in the kitchen as I reached because it's getting late. So baby's actually feeding child dinner, and just making dinner for us real quick. I'm in the kitchen making a chicken stir fry. So it's just going down real quick. I just chop these up and throw them in here. So I have corn, broccoli, chicken, and some sweet peppers and onions. So that's what dinner is gonna be for babe and I, which will be ready in like 2 minutes, and we're good to go. Mama. You guys, Tyler is about to head to bed right now. Say bye bye. Bye. Say bye bye. Bye. Blow them kisses. One more. More kisses. Kisses. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna put my bad boy to bed right now. Baby, don't have a panic attack. Stop. It's okay. Stop.
The left one,
baby,
is the right one.
Stop. Baby, stop. Don't panic. Don't have a panic attack. It's okay. It's fine. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, you guys. Subscribe if it's your first time watching us. We love you guys. Thank you guys for always watching. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.